Welcome back, Gideon here. So today we're going to be taking a look at Linux Mint 19 with the Mate desktop. So all we're going to do really quick is go with a new virtual machine. So of course we'll do the typical install. We'll browse for the Linux Mint Mate desktop. And it looks like this one does not have easy install, so we'll just look real quick. I think Linux Mint is based off Ubuntu, so we should just be able to do Ubuntu. And we can say it's Linux Mint 19. So our maximum disk size is going to be 16 gigabytes. And split in multiple files. Hello. There we go. And of course I want to give you 2 gigabytes of RAM and 2 processor cores. There we go. So now we'll power it on. And I'll just quickly go through the setup feature, just like I have been with all the other operating systems. So it looks like we've booted straight into the desktop with the Mate desktop. Looks quite nice, I must say, but we'll just install it really quick. See if this... Oh, there we go. Looks like it's running. So... Don't know why it's not auto-sizing, but that's fine. Since this is the same as Ubuntu installation, we'll just speed through it real quick. Alright, and we're back. I guess we don't want to see this dialog anymore. Welcome to Linux Mint. Over here it says install as you would, and click I finished installing when it boots up. So I clicked it. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's gonna insert a disk into the computer. Possibly. Let's take a look. Movable devices. Install VMware tools. Ah, there we go. Then execute. Okay. So what we want to do is tar. I think it was XZSF. Let's look at the docs again really quick. Really quick. ZXPF. I'm going to keep forgetting ZXPF. Not sure what those versions mean, but that's alright. Oh, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Oh, that's not what I wanted either. Okay, there we go. Cannot create... Oh. Oh wait, that's not the right password. Forgot that I have been using the password, but that's okay. Yes, everything's okay. Alright, yes, of course, everything's okay, and something failed. Hopefully that's not too bad. Yes. Everything can be defaults. I love my defaults. Let's take a look. Oh, it looks like there's nothing in the CD drive anymore, so it looks like Oh, right, it's gone. Okay. Alright, looks like let's try to restart our X session. I don't... that's good enough. We'll just wait for it now. Alright, and we're back. Let's see if auto resizing works now. Maybe, maybe not. Auto fit window. No? No? Interesting. Where are my settings at? Control center. Let's look this up. Alright, Linux Mint VMware Auto Resize. So, look at displays. Monitor unknown. Detect. Detect. Honestly, these options are better than nothing, so maybe I'll just keep it like this. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm not going to complain. This is something I could figure out in the future anyways. But we'll just take a look at the interface. So this is Mate. Looks like it comes with a Rhythm Box music player. It's an okay music player. I'm not going to be using it because obviously, oops, this is for my future development environment. Look at the software manager. Package manager. Looks like there's two different things here. Take a look at both of them. Screen tearing is actually almost virtually inexistent, but then it lags and there's that, so who knows. I don't know if it comes up. Oh, it does come up. It comes up Python 2.7. Perfect. So if I were to say nano hello.py, I should be able to just be like hello, and then yeah, that was easy. A lot easier than Ubuntu. Mate is pretty fast, I gotta say. I would, between Ubuntu and Linux Mint 19 Mate, I think I would rather use Linux Mint. The software manager looks like some kind of app store. I don't need that. I won't use it at all. So we can just close that out. Looks like there's some Qt settings, so maybe we can change some themes here. If it opens, oh gosh, I just opened way too many of those. Okay. Yeah, it does look like we can change it, so click apply, all of these change. Alright, alright. Well, at least all the Qt applications, so, whoops. Don't know what would come with this computer, so oh, all applications, there we go. Looks like there's quite a few. It even comes with transmission, so that's nice. I won't need it. We'll wait. Actually, we'll force quit. Oh boy. Anyways. Force quit. Alright. Definitely seems faster, I will say that. So it doesn't look too bad. If I right click, we got some options, it looks like. And yeah, I mean, honestly, it looks like a pretty standard, oh, we got a system monitor, we can take a look at that as well. It's the same as Ubuntu, it's the same system monitor. CPU usage is a lot lower. So on Ubuntu, it's using like 30% on the CPU, and this is over here, it's like more normal, you could say. So I guess Mate would be a better desktop environment, especially for virtual machines. It's very pretty and very functional without the need for animations, so I do appreciate that. I mean, the animations are quite basic, and it does give you what you need. I mean, goodbye. So that's good. We can also test whether or not they let you share files between the two. I don't know how to do that. I've been a VirtualBox user all my life. Shared folders. VMware tools must be installed and running in the guest operating system. So it looks like it's not installed. Let's try that again. Alright. So step 1 is ensure that the Linux machine is powered on. If you are using a GUI interface, open a command shell. Log in as the root user. Okay. And then we'll reinstall VMware tools. Okay. Sure. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to do tar zx vf. What version of VMware is this? I'm not entirely sure. Okay. Anyways, tar zx vf. And we want this thing right here. Okay. And then we'll just run it again, so yes. Okay, I'll be right back. We're gonna try to follow these steps again. Alright, according to the docs, I think I'm supposed to run VMware Toolbox. Command not found. Manually start VMware user. Okay. Okay. Let's try VMware user. Oh, that worked. All right. I'm a happy camper now. Resize. This is a strange wallpaper thing going on here. What is this? Alright, I don't know what happened there. Oh, now the wallpaper works, but that's okay. These wallpapers are so much better than Ubuntu's. Oh, and it lags. But it looks fine. It looks great. Oh, this does the same thing as Ubuntu. That's okay. It works, though. It works. That's what matters. So if we look at settings, should be able to. Somebody's calling me. If we. No, I don't want to pick up. Alright. Add host path. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Okay. Where is it now? Browse network. Windows network. Okay, clearly that this doesn't work. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know. Just disable it, that's okay. No big deal, this is my look at Linux Mint. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.